So here's the smoker box working, getting towards about maximum smoke. It'll stay here for a while. I'm going to move around a little bit. The wind came up, so it's not smoking as much as it was when I stepped outside to record this for y'all, but here's the smoke coming off of it. You get about an hour and a half of smoke. If you like a really smoky taste, you know, then use something strong like hickory in the first place, and then you can reload the smoker. I don't do that. I just let it stay closed. I don't mess with open it and lowering the temperature. Now what I did is I brought the temperature of the grill up a little bit. I brought it up to 400 because to get the smoker going a little bit better, and also to let the fat and the meat break down a little bit, let the fat get going. So I'm going to leave it at high temperature here for a little bit to smoke it and to break down some of the fat in the meat. So all right, here's another little view of the smoker box. See you in a couple hours.